How to register for RTD Smart Card account. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you actually register for an RTD Smart Card account. So first of all, begin by visiting the Regional Transportation District RTD website and locate the smart cards. If you do not have an existing RTD account, you will need to create one by providing basic personal details like your name, email address, and setting up a password. Follow the instructions to complete the account setup process and register your smart card. Once your account is established, log in and find the option to register a new smart card. Enter the card number and any other necessary details specific to your smart card. The card number is typically located on the front or the back of the card, and follow any additional verification steps as directed. Within your account, you may have the choice to add and manage the payment methods for easy card reloads in the future. Post-registration, you can oversee your smart card through your online account. This includes checking the balances, reloading the card, viewing trip history, and more. Make sure to keep your contact details current in your account settings to receive notifications and for account recovery purposes. If you face any registration issues or have any queries, RTD customer service is available for the assistance. Registering your card is crucial as it enhances the security, and in case of loss or theft, registered cards can often be replaced with a balance and transferred to a new card. Always refer to the latest guidance and instructions on the RTD website for the updates on the registration and card management features. So this was all for this video. If you find this video to be useful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.